Hey everybody, Hunter Fisher, Trapper, Trader, Guide, Scout, and Interpreter, and just a country cook, Steve Hall, here in Nashville, Tennessee, along with Shishi and Jen. Hi, Sheila.
Hi, this is Shishi.
Hi, this is Jen.
And we're back today with another recipe.
Yeah. This one is crab pea salad.
Oh.
And this is just a quick, easy, simple. We like simple and quick and easy recipes around
That's
here.
That's
right. This is a Sheila recipe all the way across the board.
It's got it written all over.
So Debbie, my cousin Debbie from California sent this one in, and she makes this all the time, and it's absolutely delicious and very simple. Like I said, if you want to whip something up to take to a party, this is the ticket right here. So what we've got in here are 2 small bags or 1 large bag of frozen peas. And you're going to want to take these and you're going to want to rinse them in a colander and get the frost off of them, but you still want to leave them kind of frozen because you don't want them to get smashed up because peas are very soft. So if you just leave a little bit of it kind of frozen, but they're ready to go once you get the frost off of them. So and it's funny, when you rinse them, they'll kind of stick together, so you might have to just break them back up again. And then next we're going to add some onion, a whole onion basically, and we're going to mix that together so it's even in the bowl. Once you've got that mixed together, next you're going to want to take a whole lemon that we've already squeezed, and you're just going to drizzle that evenly all over the bowl and mix all that together. Get that lemon flavor on there.
Okay.
And then we have about 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. And you'll put that in, just depends on how much you need. It's probably going to take that whole amount. You want to make sure it's covering all of that. Get it out of there. And you might even need a little bit more, just depends. But I'll use this little one here, then we'll use that for the big stir.
This right here's got more action to it.
That's right.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Now we're getting somewhere. As Steve would say, now we're cooking with gas.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. And then the last thing we're going to add is the imitation crab. And I got this in, this is the shredded chunks or whatever, and they come off in like little bite-sized pieces like this. But this is 2 packages of it. And if they're not, I just kind of...
Like this right here.
Yeah, they look just like that. And they come in different brands, obviously. If they're not pulled apart, you can pull them apart, make sure that they're in bite-sized pieces. And then you'll just stir this up and kind of gingerly, because the crab will shred on you. So if you like the chunks, and if you don't mind it shredded, then you can go ahead and
recall it shredded.
We're going to dump it in there and make a big, yummy salad.
Pretty.
Mix her all up, Shishi. There's a big chunk there still together. Just
Here's half of a crab there.
I was slacking on the job. When I prepped anyway, I was.
Okay, I'll forget that too.
And you just mix that completely up. And you can either clean up this bowl, or you can just transfer it to a clean bowl, whichever your pleasure to take to your party. And then the last thing you're going to add is some salt and pepper, and you can season that to taste. So we're just going to make sure this isn't coming out too fast.
There you go.
Thanks, Shishi. I just reached right across from you.
There you go.
And this is a fast moving pepper.
Now this is a recipe now.
That's right. Okay, so we're back, and we just transfer this into a nice pretty bowl. Like we said, you don't have to have it in a pretty bowl. Sheila said you could just throw it on a paper plate. And you can make a whole meal out of just this.
I'm very easy when it comes to cooking.
She is. Sheila likes really easy recipes.
Yeah, I like to do this on easy ones because that way it's fast, and that way I won't forget what I'm cooking.
And that's a good thing. So, all right, let's try it out. What do you think? Okay, here we go. I'll give you some of this yummy stuff.
All right.
And, you know, because these peas were already frozen, it's going to be pretty much ready to go by the time you get to your destination. So, all right, Shishi, let's see what we got here.
Okay.
All right. Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay. Very good. Debbie's got it going on too.
Yeah.
This is a great, cool recipe, especially in the summertime when you don't want to cook. This is good. Very, very good. What do you think? And what would Steve say?
If this is not the best
Crab pea salad. If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching, and thanks for liking and sharing.
and subscribing,
And don't forget to follow us on
Facebook,
and Instagram and Twitter. And don't forget to send in your recipe, and if we use it on the show, we'll send you a free DVD of the Shotgun Red Show live. Thanks again. We'll see you. Bye.
Bye.
Quiet on the set.
slowing down.
My brain is slow today.
Exactly.
Exactly. Exactly. And what would Steve say?
This is the best.
This is the best.
This is not the best. What are we cooking?
What are we cooking?
No, start this over.
Hello, McFly. What are we cooking? We didn't cook nothing. We just put it together. There's really no cooking involved here.
Okay, I know we
Okay.
got crab something here.
It's crab pea salad.
Not crab itself. That's it.
Crab pea salad.
Okay.
Don't say that fast. Don't say crappy salad fast. Crab pea salad.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time, right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.